In this video, I'll show you how to block specific apps from accessing your internet connection. So what we need to do is first open up the Start menu, go and search for Windows Defender, and then click on the Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on Advanced Settings in the left-hand side, click on Outbound Rules, and select New Rule. Now make sure Program is selected and press Next. And now what you'll need to do is go and enter the program path for the application that you want to go and block. Now there's a couple of ways to do this. You can either just click on the Browse button and then you can go and locate the executable file from here. Now another way you can do this is let's just head over to our desktop and let's say for example I wanted to go and block the Microsoft Edge app. Well, what we would need to do is right click on the app, click on Open File Location, then right click on the application again, and click on Copy as Path. You can then head back over to Windows Defender Firewall and go and paste in this URL, and then all we need to do is get rid of the quotation marks at the beginning and the end of this line. And once you've done this, you can press Next, click on Block the Connection and press Next. Make sure all three of these are selected and then go and press Next. Give this a name and also a description, and then we can press Finish. So that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.